How often do we say with our lips that we forgive someone, but with our hearts, we really don't? We carry resentment toward them. We carry antagonism toward them deep within. We refuse to let it go. I see this all too many times in families. Fathers and sons, mothers and daughters. They say they've forgiven, but in reality, resentment still exists. True forgiveness requires restoration. Now that means that both parties have to cooperate. And sometimes we may try to restore someone in a relationship, and they may refuse. But we still must try. We still must do our part. This is why true forgiveness is so difficult. It's really hard to forgive and to restore